Black-eyed Susan, thunbergia alta, is a vigorous climbing plant, which is really not very hard. You usually see it, if at all, you see it like in a conservatory or greenhouse, where it can easily get sort of 15-20 foot high in a year. It's one of these plants that's like grown as an annual, but in actual fact is a perennial, and naturally they come from East and South Africa and including Madagascar. There's a few different types of them, and they have this very deep, like throated dark bit, and then this like little orange flowers. Now, apparently the leaves and the flowers are edible. I would have never thought this was edible, so I'll find one that nobody's going to miss. So I've got to try this. That one you can't really see, so I'll just try this one. Apparently the coarse hairs aren't very good for you, but the flowers don't have them, but the leaves do. So if I just try a bit of flower, quite strong flavour. Yeah, about maybe 2 out of 10 perhaps, something like that. They're not very nice, but they'd look rather interesting on a salad. And the leaves are supposed to be better cooked because their coarse hairs aren't supposed to be good for you. But they are employed in treating coughs and colds and fevers, and apparently you can squish and apply either the leaves or the flowers to treat boils. And because they are a perennial plant that dies back into its roots, the roots are also considered edible and have various uses as well. But I can't imagine these ones will survive through the winters here. But if they were like in a greenhouse, they'd be okay as long as they're like a heated greenhouse or one that doesn't get too cold. So kind of a sort of tropical climbing vine. Very beautiful. They flower right throughout the summer. You can often get them in garden centres about so big, like in the late spring, and then sort of grow them right throughout the year, and they'll just get enormous and just carry on flowering for the whole time. And they're very nice plants. You do get different colour ones, and yeah, just one of those things. If you've got the right conditions for them, they just flower for like forever. And you can see here they're growing all along the ground, and very sort of twisting, tangling plants. But yeah, very beautiful.